Yes, I have. No 1 year old, nothing anywhere. Okay, sir. Oga, you never pay Mama Ngbanu. Leave Mama Ngbanu. You go to solve that one tomorrow. Oh, yeah, bring soap.
What type of plane is this?
Yes, sir.
Now hear me.
My clothes.
Think say they wise.
Now, one thing I been try explain, sir. Mama Ngbanu, she came and carry everything. She say when you come, as you know, make you come give her money, collect your clothes. Which kind of nonsense be this?
Will you keep quiet?
For how much? Come back tomorrow. You go get her tomorrow. What do you mean by tomorrow? You promised me yesterday, and I told you I needed it by that yesterday, and you agreed. Oga, we are in Nigeria now.
What type of plane is this?
Let's sign small agreements.
Okay.
If my clothes not ready by the end of tomorrow, you will refund my deposit double and also return my material in full. Aisha, you didn't reconcile your ATM withdrawals.
Okay.
I left them in God's hands.
You what?
And everything faster than my brain could calculate.
Hey.
Manager's line. Should I pick or fake cardiac arrest? Pick now. Be professional.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Yes, of course.
Okay.
Balance sheet almost ready, sir.